Morning students, welcome to ASL class. Today we are going to have listening activity. Read the exercise given below. Listen to the audio about stamp collecting and then answer the questions. Stamp collecting has very few rules. One does not have to buy expensive instrument or gadget to enjoy it. However, some things need to be remembered when we collect stamps. One of the essential rules to remember is that the condition of a stamp is very important. Badly torn and damaged stamps are very unpleasant to look at, but they are not worth anything when compared to the intact counterparts. Try to get the best undamaged specimens. Stamps are rated in condition from damaged to best. The stamps which are called best are of high quality. That means it has been centered perfectly. It has the right amount of color and the right amount of gum, is not cheap. Used stamps can also be called the best if the center is in perfect angle. Fresh looking and lightly cancelled stamps can also pass. Since the stamps are only bits of paper, one should be cautious while handling them. Using tongs is the best way to handle stamps safely. While collecting stamps, possibly the most important book a collector would want to use is a stamp catalog. This depends on the type of stamps one wants to collect. One of the first things stamp collector learn through stamp collecting of other countries is geography. It is the best to get an atlas, globe or a world map to help locate countries whose issued stamps one wants to have in the collection. There have been many stamp atlases that have been published. These atlases show dead countries that used to exist at one point of time and would issue stamps, as well as current nations that exist in the world. There are various reasons why collectors decide to collect stamps not by country of issue but because of some other distinct features. There are stamp collectors who collect stamps that are orderly shaped or papers that are not specifically stamps, such as labels and seals which look like them. These are commonly called cylindrials as they appear to be something they are not.